Here's an exercise using the playing cards that teaches the use of different forms of the same pronoun. Now, I know this sounds confusing because we don't do this in English. Now, remember our verb game. To lie is pepelo. Past tense lie is na pepelo. To say you lied, we could say na e pepelo. Na e pepelo. The pronoun e or you is coming before pepelo, the lie. Tense, subject, action. Or we can take the other form of you, oi, and put it after the action. Na pepelo oi. Na pepelo oi. Both of these are saying you lied. Saying it this way puts more of an emphasis on the action of lie. But saying the pronoun after the action puts more of an emphasis on the pronoun. Like it was you. You are the one that lied. You can mix and match your tense markers, your actions, your pronouns, and you can do them the other way as well. Now, one thing to note is that you cannot put common nouns in this position. A common noun would be something like the friend. So I wouldn't say na le uo pepelo. Only pronouns can go in this position. So when you do your exercises, it's going to be tense, subject, action. And that subject is always going to be a pronoun. But in this form, tense, action, subject, this pronoun position can be switched with a common noun. You can put the friend right there. So, na pepelo le uo. The friend lied. So to play, get you a green stack of tense markers, your stack of gray pronouns, which are your pre-verb pronouns, and then your actual verbs. That would be your tense, subject, and then action. Then to do it the other way, get your stack of tense markers, your stack of verbs or actions, and then your post-verb pronouns right there. Mix and match them in many combinations until it feels natural.